Hello, I'm Ebere. Welcome to WebCodeTut. Today I'm going to be showing you how to insert a button in your blog post. So from the dashboard, go to your post site. Click on the post you want to edit. And at the section where you want to insert the button, press the enter key. Then press the slash button and type button and click on buttons. Type in the text of the button and then click on this link button, and to get the link you will use, just copy the link address, paste it, and press enter. Then click the pencil icon. If you want to open it in a new tab, you can. To do that, you just click this check button. If you don't want to open it in a new tab, that's fine either. You can just leave it like that and click outside of the place. So it's now a link. Then we can edit the button. To edit the button, you can choose to make it centralized. That's justify it into the center. And we can also come over to the block section and change the width of the button, or back to 25, or uncheck it for it to be the default size. We can also click on the design tab and change the text and the background. So I'm going to change the background. So to do that, I'll come here, I'll click, I want it to be a pink button. So I want to click that and make it pink. And then let's make it orange, because I want it to be orange and blue. Orange, so that's orange. And then for the text, I want it to be blue, though it's not very clear. So let's make it this kind of blue. Okay, click outside. Then I'm gonna make the padding, increase the padding a bit. So let's increase it, or you can just come here and increase the padding. Make it 2 pixels all around, 5 pixels. If I don't want to do that, I just uncheck it, and then so the border radius will make it 10. And then when we are done, after you clicked update and you come here and you click on the post, see this is the button. So just click the button and it links to the post. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that you can enjoy more videos like this one. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.